Welcome to SQ106. In Iics tutorial, in part 1, we saw that table to table load, we done the mapping. Today we are going to see on that flat file to table load we are seeing. Okay, so now we'll start how we can do it. Now we can create the flat file to table load. Okay, for that mapping, just go to the new, then mapping sessions, create that one mapping here. Okay, so it always show that two object, that is source and target. Now we move on to the source, maximize this icon and go to source. My source, I'm taking that flat file source here. Okay, I already given the connections, so that's the reason it's showing my connection options. If not it is there, go to the new connection and create your flat file connections. Okay, now select that object. Once you are selecting means it will show that available data. Here as of now I am kept only one file it is here. Okay, take that particular files. After that we can preview that particular files. When we are seeing means here the country ID, it is in the form of character format, and country name also it is a character format, and region ID, this is integer format it is presented. Please note it down. Region ID, it is a integer format. Okay. Now go to fields here. Check that columns. Okay. Country ID, it is a string. Country name, it is string. But region ID also, it is presented the string. Okay. Whenever you are taking the flat file, you want to check that whether it is the particular ID or that is particular column, it is having that which data type. Okay, with help of the preview the data. Now I want to change this string into integer format. Now go to options here. Now next go to edit metadata. Then we can edit our metadata. So then based on this we can know about that change of data types. Once you are changing means you can give the precisions. Now I am giving the precision, it is 4 I am giving, that is length. Okay, then we'll go to take our the target. Okay, here I am taking my target, it is a table, that is I am loading the flat file to table connections here. Okay, now go to that Oracle TGT, that is target. Now we can select our target. My target name, it is TGT underscore countries. Okay, TGT underscore countries. See here, my target table is presented. Fetch the particular target object and preview the data. See here, in the target object, it is having that only column name it is presented and no content is available. That is no records is not previewing anything. Okay, after doing the mapping only we can able to load the data. Okay, just close this window. Now go to the target fields, just check it what are the things it is there, then go to the field mappings. Here my source and my target both are having the same column name it is presented, so we can use that smart map options. With help of this one it is automatically mapped. Now just save your mapping. Okay, once you are saving the mapping means this mapping it is on the state, it's going on the valid state. Okay, now we can change our mapping name. How we can change means just enter that, just move on your cursor in these windows. Okay, when you are moving the windows mean we can able to see our that mapping name. Now I changed my mapping name, it is m underscore flat file to table load. No, flat file to table. So this is my mapping name have given. Save this particular mapping and start running. Okay, once you are running means it will redirect to that one page. That is runtime environment page it will be going. So having the two runtime environment. Now we should use that secure agent. We should use it because there only we are giving the connections, and there only we are taking that our objects. Okay, so I'm choosing my secure agent, selecting that particular one and run. Okay, now it will start the running. Now press this my jobs. Okay, now see here, that is the state it is currently it is starting. Then it will be go into the queues, then it will be go to the success. Just refresh this particular page. Now see here that data as it is rows processed, 25 rows is processed. Okay, now see, we can see that the source record it is 25 rows is presented, and target it is 25 rows it is populated. So this is a flat file to table load. Now we see that. Okay, now we can cross verify with the help of our Oracle SQL developers. In Oracle SQL developer, just I have created the table only. I have created, okay, without having the any data. Now we can check that how many data is populated after done the mapping. Okay, select a star from. My target name it is TGT underscore countries. Okay, just select this one and run it. Once you are running means see here total number of the rows is populated, 25 rows is populated. Okay, before that it is I was just created the table, okay, without having the any data with help of the where conditions. After running my mapping, all the data is getting populated. Okay, this way we can see on that flat file to table load. Okay, in upcoming sessions we will see that how we can move that flat file to flat file. We'll see that. Thank you.